So, will Google Wallet work without Wi-Fi? Will Google Wallet work without internet? The short answer is yes. So your Google Wallet can work without Wi-Fi or mobile data or access to the internet for in-store contactless payments, but with some limits. So basically, your how it can work offline is once your debit card or credit card has been added to your wallet, Google Wallet uses the NFC plus tokenization to process your payments. This doesn't require an active internet connection at the moment of purchase. So most terminals will accept a tap to pay even if your phone is offline, because the card token is already stored securely on the device. So the short answer is yes. Your Google Wallet will work without Wi-Fi or without access to the internet or without mobile data, but there are some limitations. Some banks restrict the number of offline transactions before requiring an internet connection to re-authenticate everything. Typically, you can make a few offline payments before needing to reconnect to the internet if you want to continue transacting with your Google Wallet. But the wallet itself will continue working. It's just some banks who want to re-authenticate to avoid issues with fraud and stuff, who want to re-authenticate you after some time. So you require to connect back to the internet.